All right, guys. Obviously, I'm not here today. So there's two things we got to take care of today. Weekly quiz is the first one, and then the families project thing, I'm going to talk about in just a couple seconds. So let's talk about the quiz real quick. So, not a terribly long quiz, but you do need to make a bunch of Punnett squares to demonstrate where you got your information from. And you're just not straight up just guessing multiple choice stuff. Okay. So I put it both on the assignment in Google Classroom as well as on the quiz itself to remember to take pictures of the Punnett squares you create and upload that to the assignment. Okay. If you don't do that, that's going to decimate your grade. All right. So that's the first thing. When you get done with that, then we're starting on to this part here. So I have made these kind of really messed up families. You can see there's Edward and Bella. There's Katniss Everdeen and Harry Potter. There's a whole bunch of them. There's a total of 11 different families. All right. And yes, if you saw that one real quick, yes, I did have Kevin Hart and Beyonce together because why not? So, what you need to do, directions are right here, real straightforward. All right. So, starting at the top. So far, we have practiced the skills that are necessary for you to become a successful genetic counselor. Using those skills, you will educate the families given to you about their offspring. You will educate them on many aspects of their potential offspring. So, your job is to walk through the three families you choose. I don't care which ones, but out of the 11, you got to pick three of them. Then, when you are writing up your report, and tomorrow we'll go into details on how to do that. When you're writing it up, it needs to be abundantly clear which families they are. So you can just simply start it off, and like if you're creating your notes, just simply write it on your paper, family one. So that way you're getting everything in order and organized. Okay. You will write out a report that gives the chances of each trait. Remember, chances is percent, 0, 25, and so on. Okay, this will be written in the format of a married couple coming to you, a genetic counselor. You need to sound professional, use proper vocabulary like heterozygous, homozygous, phenotype, genotype, and be correct. Obviously, each family will be expecting to see the Punnett squares you use to come up with the information you are telling them, so ensure that you have the evidence to back up your claims. The families are relying on your knowledge of genetics to guide them. So, today, quiz, then read through these, choose what families you're going to do, and basically you're starting to create Punnett squares. So, for example, Edward here, you can see brown eyes, capital B, lowercase b. Then Bella has blue eyes, lowercase b, lowercase b. So, first Punnett square, eye color. And then go to the next trait, and go to the next trait, and go to the next trait, and so on, so on, so on. All right. So, any questions, make sure to basically leave comments on the assignment, shoot me an email, something like that, so that way I can help you guys out tomorrow. All right. Have a good day.